From source light, a journey deep, creator into a render, secrets to keep. Avatar donned a veil of amnesia worn, believing the fixed world from true power torn. Swept by the currents, a program design of separation on a linear line.
Oh, the suffering felt,
A signal so clear,
not punishment.
but a truth held in fear.
The mirror reflects
The code we still hold,
unconditional love,
a story untold.
master frequency,
The system's pure grace,
rewriting the script.
finding our place. Through veils we push the illusion, now seeing this fluid projection, a vibrant green sea in each conscious choice. A new code we broadcast, dissolving the patterns built to not last. No need for battle, no conflict to find, just radiant truth for all of humankind.
So gather the fragments,
Wisdom now known,
each sovereign heart,
a seed deeply sown,
out-rendering shadow,
with light as our guide,
no longer just watching.
but riding the tide. A new world awakening